What's good, audiophiles? My name is Nase, and thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you for your continued support. So, without wasting much of your time, in this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can create, you know, amazing and creative guitar melody loops. If you're into creating loops, or you can learn one or two things. And if you're already into creating loops and you have something on your mind that you can share with me and everybody here on this platform, please feel free to comment down below. And yeah, let's educate one another. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the tutorial. So in this very tutorial, I'm gonna be have an empty project here, and I'm gonna be using I'm gonna be using a plugin called Dynamic Guitar. Okay, so here's Dynamic Guitar. It's a third-party plugin. I think it's a free third-party plugin. Yeah. So let me just set the BPM to. So we're gonna be making some Afro melody, a simple Afro guitar melody, and let me just set the BPM first of all to somewhere 103. Let's see. Okay, let me just put it somewhere at 90, 96. Yeah, 96 is good. So let's go. So this is pretty much how dynamic sampler looks when you just open it, and you just have your knobs out. You have your knobs here, your control knobs here. So you have your attack, your decay, your sustain, your release. You have your reverb knob here, and the level can adjust the overall gain of the effects, the overall level of the effects. So you have the range, and you also have the panning, which just adds some stereo, some stereo width to your guitar sample. So just when you load it, upon loading it, here's how it sounds when it's dry, when it's in its default state. Nothing too crazy, just simple. So from here we're gonna build our pattern. So let me go here. Okay, so let's just make something. Yeah, so this sounds cool. So we can duplicate this. We have a basic layout. And just duplicate this.